It is insane how fast it went. I cannot believe it's graduation already. I feel like I'm still a freshman, honestly. I felt like I blinked and it was over. My name is Ryan Alasakis, and I'm from Littlestown, Pennsylvania. I chose WVU because I knew I was interested in healthcare. So when looking at the school, I read that it was a really good nursing program, and I also really liked that the classes were right next to the hospital, so I didn't have to drive to clinical. Classes were great. With WVU nursing, there's like an 8-to-1 student to faculty ratio in clinical. So you get a lot of one-on-one experience with that faculty person. So you really get to know them and they get to know you, and it makes learning a lot better. I got really close with my fellow classmates and my nursing friends. We studied together. We were through all the nursing school together, the ups and downs. Some of us had clinical together, which made clinical really fun. And it was just great to learn all the content together. Graduating is going to be bittersweet. I am excited to be done school, but I'm not excited to say goodbye to all my friends and Morgantown and just college in general. That's going to be sad to let that go. I feel very prepared to take the NCLEX. I think West Virginia, as well as preparing me for a nurse, also prepare me very well for passing NCLEX on the first time. I already have a job lined up after graduation, and it's going to be in the emergency room back home and around Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. I am so excited to get into the workforce. I think West Virginia prepared me very well to become a nurse, and yeah, I'm excited.